Hello everyone, my name is Michelle Mills and I am Head of Technical at NTI. This short video is all about the NTI document pack checklists and how best to use them. We've got a couple of functionalities in there that we think are quite useful. The first one is on the pre-appointment checklist. We've actually enabled it so that you can merge it from any case. If you want a blank checklist to go through with someone or you've not set up a case on IPS yet. So you can see here we've got the pre-appointment checklist if you do want to merge and the coding for that, or it's blank if you want to use it from another case. You don't need to worry about this. You just go through merging the document as usual, decide whether you want it blank or not, merge the document, and you will see that you get a blank pre-appointment checklist. We think this functionality is quite useful because not everybody wants to set up a pre-appointment case every time that they have an inquiry, and at least you can start going through the process outside of that. Our checklist, let me move this out the way. Our checklist has these down arrows. So as you can see here, we've got our initial steps, which are split out already, but cases in matters where there is a choice of what to do, we'll get to it. So here where you've got a physical board meeting by board resolution by correspondence, you have down arrows so you can pick which one you want, and it will give you all of the options to do for that specific thing. That also goes straight through to shareholders meeting and resolutions, as well as deemed consent, virtual meeting, etc. Given that there are quite a few variables on an appointment into a CVL. These are collapsed naturally, but if you do want to keep them open, if you click on that, click on the paragraph button and collapse by default. If you untick that, it won't collapse back when you close the checklist. Hopefully you find that functionality useful. We're able to do quite a lot with the coding that's in IPS and with Word. So hopefully there's some other things that we can put in for you at a later date. Thank you very much for watching.